In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a sticker on WhatsApp without downloading any app. So previously, the procedure was you hop on your Play Store or your Apple Store, you download any of these apps, simple and easy, and then you upload an image of the thing you want to turn into a sticker, something like that, and then you create your sticker. But now, with the new updates, you can do it very much simple and easy. You don't need to, download any third-party app. So let's say somebody sent you this sticker. You just tap on the sticker like this. And then let me put this here, let me scroll this here, and then let's tap on create your own. And now let me scroll down to the image I want to turn into a sticker. Let me scroll down here, let me scroll down, let me use this image, let me use this one. Good. So it's taking time to create the sticker. Sticker is here, so now I can send it. Good. So you can see there's a sticker there. So that's it. Well, now you can create a sticker on WhatsApp in 2025. You don't need to download any third-party app. You can use your WhatsApp to do that. Very much simple and easy. So if you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of tutorials on WhatsApp on my channel. You can check that out. So that's it for the video once again. Peace.